What's happening, guys? This is Bharat Nagpal. Flappy Bird has taken a dip for good. The developer has removed the application or the game from its respective app stores, including iOS and Android. But here are your alternatives in case you still want to play the game. So let's start off with the first basic tip, which is the fact that you can actually still download this game on your respective devices. So if you have a jailbroken iPhone, you can download this game. If you have an Android phone, you can still find an APK online and download it. Since the app does not exist anymore, I don't know if it is legally an issue to download this game, and it was a free application, so essentially you're not really breaking any laws. You have this app available online and you can download it. If you have downloaded it on an iOS device in the past, you can simply re-download it from your iTunes account because it will continue to give you that game on that version that it was on. In case you missed out on downloading this game and you don't have a jailbroken iPhone and don't want to jailbreak your iPhone, you are basically left with no alternative. Either use a friend's account to download this game or simply buy a phone which already has Flappy Birds pre-installed. Those run for about $100,000 on eBay right now. So let's start off with alternatives. The first game that we are talking about is called Splashy Fish. It's also sort of a tongue twister, so try saying splashy fish, splashy fish, splashy fish a couple of times, and so you spend some time doing that. But this game is possibly the best representation of Flappy Bird on an iOS device. It works really well. It looks almost identical, and the dynamics and the sort of controls are almost identical to Flappy Bird. So this is one of the best replacements that you can find on iOS. It's also free, so no cost, no foul, no harm. The next game we are talking about is City Bird. Now again, an iOS device game. City Bird is sort of a mix of Flappy Bird and Angry Birds, so you get fatter, more rounder birds. Dynamics and gameplay is almost the same as Flappy Bird, but graphics are definitely a tad bit better. So as opposed to the old retro sort of 8-bit sort of design, this has a more clean Angry Bird sort of design and a nicer layout. Dynamics and gameplay actions are almost identical, so no complaints over there. Moving on to Android, the first game that we think works really well is called Flappy Flying. Again, it is designed exactly like the Flappy Bird that you are and want to get used to. Dynamics are identical to say the least, and graphics are good. Only the bird flaps a lot and has a bigger flapping radius, so to speak, so you have bigger wings on this. But the gameplay performance and gameplay response almost the same. Overall, it is a good replacement for Android for Flappy Birds. The next game I'm going to talk about is called Flappy Tappy. Sort of a mix between flying birds and pigs. So you have a pig face which has wings attached to it. Don't know why it was designed that way, but you have the ability to go into a regular mode, which is the standard mode like on Flappy Birds. But this game also has an advanced mode that lets you go into a hardcore sort of gameplay experience. A lot more happening in the gameplay. In hardcore mode, you fly through moving cliffs, you have smaller gaps, so it's much more difficult than the regular mode, and this makes it slightly more engrossing and slightly more difficult to play. The last game I'm going to talk about is called Clumsy Bird. Unlike all the other games that we've mentioned here, this one runs in landscape mode. And it's sort of like Angry Birds running through the forest, but then they are flapping through the forest, so you are running through trees, etc. Again, design dynamics and gameplay dynamics are almost identical to Flappy Bird, and the graphics are pretty good as well. So Clumsy Bird is the third recommendation for Android devices. Now, apart from the 5 games that we have mentioned, there are about 100 at least other games that you can download for free that sort of mimic Flappy Birds or sort of run along the lines of the Flappy Bird dynamics. Now, in case you want to get any of those, do go ahead and try those out, and if you have any nice recommendations, do drop them in the comment section below. These are the 5 best that I could find, 2 on iOS and 3 on Android. But if you have any better, do let me know, because I still want to play Flappy Birds. Like most of the other people, I already have Flappy Bird on my phone. Did you miss out on Flappy Birds? Do you want to play Flappy Birds? Is it none of your concern? Are you bored? What's going on? Do let us know, and stay tuned for our videos. And check us out on iGandert and catch us on Facebook, Twitter, Google+. Make sure you subscribe to us on YouTube for updated videos on a day-to-day basis. This has been Bharat Nagpal for iGand. Thank you guys for watching.